And I have here a card that you're going to choose something. And meron ako dito, this is the most famous puzzle toy in the whole world. Ano po tawag dito? I get one cube from here.
Rubik's Cube.
Sino marunong ng Rubik's Cube?
Yeah.
One cube from here. One cube from here. Sino marunong ng Rubik's Cube?
Kuya, ito kuya.
Ganito gawin natin. Dixon, I have here different cards, blankals, nakasulat, famous mga toys ng mga bata. Isang laruan. Sir, ano nakasulat? Voltes 5. Pamilyar kayo sa laruan ito? Voltes 5. Sonic Blastman. Pamilyar? Yu-Gi-Oh! Pamilyar? Yu-Gi-Oh! Clash Gear. Pamilyar sa Clash Gear? Dragon Ball. Cartoons. Pamilyar? Habulan. Sino nakapaglaro ng habulan? Habulan. Taguan. Sino nakapaglaro ng taguan? Gundam na robot. May mga nakapaglaro ng Gundam na robot. Transformer na robot. Meron? Tumbang preso. Alam pa ba ng mga bata ito? Hindi na. Ganito gawin natin. Si Daddy na lang, Daddy. Going to shuffle the cards. Shuffle natin yung cards. Tapos, dyan ka na mix sila. Tapos, say stop whenever you want. This should be your card. Don't show it to me. Just cover it. Huwag mo muna pakita maski kanino. Alright, here we go. Nixon! I want you to throw this paper to that table. If this paper will go to you, kindly catch it. Sige, pato mo dyan, Nixon.
Oy, tayo.
Oh, very good. Tayo ka po. Tayo ka, ma'am. Tayo ka, tayo ka.
Kape na sa akin.
Now, you throw it to the other tables. Sa table na to, if that will go to you, kindly catch it.
Ano?
Sino po nakasalo? Sino nakasalo po? Kaya tayo po kayo, ikaw na lang, ha? Ikaw na lang po naman, ano? Ayan, engineer. Then throw it to the other table. Pag nasalo na po, kindly catch it.
Ay.
Thank you. Ayan tayo. Do you have the paper po? Nakanina po. Ay, ma'am, nasa iyo. Mami, pakitaan mo lang po yung papel, kukunin ko sa iyo mamaya. Tayo po tayo. All those random people po kayo, tama po? Your random people who got the paper from, palakpakan natin sa birthday boy Nixon. You got the paper, tayo po. Sino po yun dito? Si engineer, tayo po. Eh, si ma'am. Bibigyan po kayo ng the most famous puzzle toy in the whole world, which is the yung unang makakasol, bibigyan ko ng 5,000. Charot lang, charot. Ganito gagawin natin. Ganito na lang. I'll give you 10 seconds. Shuffle that into any particular arrangement that you feel that it will be beautiful for you. Sige po. Bigyan kaya ng 8 seconds.
Lalabas mo kayo kayo.
A random order that you think it will be very beautiful to you. Very beautiful to you. Yan po.
Tingnan na Rubik's
Are you done? Since siya yung first mo na nakabato, di ba, Nixon? Can I have the Rubik's Cube? Meron tayong tatlong hole doon sa ating Rubik's wall. Where do you want to put it? Upper, middle, or lower? Middle? Do you want to change your mind? This is your random order that you think very beautiful. We put it here. How about you po? Is that the random order that you think that's beautiful for you? Napakaganda, engineer. Where do you want to put it? Upper or lower? You want to change your mind? Last, please. Please.
Gawin na lang kayo.
And ma'am, now do you have the random order that you think that's very beautiful to you? Is that beautiful to you? Thank you po. Ayan. Thank you so much. Saan mo po gusto? Doon o doon?
Doon o doon?
Where do you want to put this? Doon o doon?